Morning, guys. What a beautiful morning in sunny Pattaya. Well, really it's John TM, which is not far from Pattaya, but it's the same place. There's my lady doing household chores with sweeping. Let's have a look at that brush again. That's a funny looking brush. Let me see the brush. Let me see the brush.
No.
Why? We haven't got brushes like that in the UK.
What?
Yeah, seriously.
I don't want to see.
Okay.
No.
No. No, you've been funny to me today. No, you're never funny. Say hello.
Hello. Sadika.
Sadika. Sadika, which means hello, I think. I'm learning. Right, I'm going to pop down to John's Castaway to get my fishing tackle, because last night I had too much to drink and it was in the dark and I had a little bit too much to carry, so I left it in his truck. He took it back to his fishery, so I'll go and pick it up, and while we're there, going to have some breakfast. So see you in a bit. Okay, we just a quick stop to the ATM machine. Make sure, see if the money's gone in, baby.
Your choice, my
What?
passport.
Why can't I see your password? Is it my money? My money?
You look my people, look my passport.
Oh, okay.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Yes.
The money went through?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we just arrived, just ordered breakfast, and as we did, somebody's got a fish on, so we thought we'd come down and have a look. John's giving him instructions. We got the gilly ready with his net. Do you reckon that's a red tail, John?
I think so, yeah. We've had a few on the bread lately.
Have you?
I think so. I think he's snags, yeah.
Yeah, straight into the snags. Do swise go into snags?
Move it again. Go on, go on. Yes, he is. Go again. Go on, keep hitting him. Yeah, he's doing his best to fucking rid himself. That's okay, it's okay. You will do. You'll wind down. Oh, don't let this last. I'll just show you a sec. I'll just show you. So you don't need to wind all the way. So just sit and wind down to there and then just try and get him out there for a minute. Well, there is an hill by the area.
Yeah. Sure, it must be a big fish. Even John's struggling with this one.
He might be going around the snag. He might just keep coming back to the snag. You see, that's the snag there.
It's a line round the snag, is it? So, yeah. Yeah, using the old trick, giving it a bit of slack, watching the line move. Yeah. Alright.
Just hold on to it. Don't put too much pressure on it. I'm going to try and jump in and get him out.
Now, there's a trick. John's going to jump in the water now. Have you had many?
No, it's first one.
Oh, marvellous. And then he goes and snags you like.
Well, the speed, the strength on it.
Oh, I know.
Phenomenal.
Yeah.
It? Start to move out.
That's the thing about this fishery. You know, they are really strong fishing. Such a small fishery, but they're so strong.
Oh, he's trying to move it, is he?
Yeah, what he's going to do. Yeah, because you know, obviously it's safer, better to get the fish out of the snag than lose the rig on it. You know.
Yeah.
So,
Moving now.
Right, yeah. Yeah, keep pressure on
I've been at this for hours, I'm knackered.
You will be. So keep the pressure on him because he should start coming.
Well, he's in there, isn't he? He's gone.
Yeah. Can you? If you still feel it kicking, yeah. Yeah, that's it. You got it. You got it. That's it. Yeah, John's obviously got into the water across there. Yeah, he's trying to free the line from the aerator. Right, slack. Yeah. Yeah, just to take the bail arm off, just yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, pump. Yeah. That's right, pump. That's it. No.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah, if you can, put the rod to an angle if you can, because you got the rod, to bend it like. Yeah, that's it. Oh. There you are. You get him out. That's it. Keep the bend in the rod rather than point the rod to it. That's it. This way now. That's it. You got it. Up. Try and bring him up to the surface if you can. Oh, he's going under there again. Yeah. That's it. You got him. Oh, look at the size of that. Whoa. Oh, you got him. Nearly. Oh. He's going under the bloody stages. That's it. Yeah, that's right. Keep pumping him. Pump him up. That's it. He's up there now. That's it. You got him. Oh, look at the size of that. It's a massive one. Bloody, that's one of the biggest ones I've seen here. Oh, look at that. Hey!
Come on, baby.
Brilliant. He's got in the net. It's so big he can't get in the net. Let the line out, I said, so he can lift him up. That's it. Well done. Brilliant. What's your name? Glenn. Well done, Glenn. Where are you from? Sheffield. Oh, brilliant. Well done, Glenn. You just come back to the restaurant, and his mate's just getting a massive swai catfishing. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, you had him once, don't let him run again. That's it, you got him. Get his head up. That's it. Steer him over. Yeah, brilliant. It's a nice fish. Hard work. Number 4, well done. What's your name and where you come from?
Steve Chester.
All right, Steve Chester. Wales, I am from down the south.
North Wales.
Yeah, of course, yeah. You fished before, Steve? Or?
A few times a year.
Oh, brilliant. Is that your mate over there, isn't it? Is that your mate over there?
Yeah, Glenn, yeah.
Glenn, yeah, he just had his first fish. He's great. Yeah, guys, how's that for a nice breakfast? See, because John's from Somerset, he knows how to feed the UK anglers. What do you think of our UK breakfast? European, do you like it? Would you eat it?
Yes.
You would?
But yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes. But if you ate a lot of them, it'd make you fat.
For me, no, not every day.
Not every day, no.
Sometimes I feel to want
Okay.
to eat.
And what are you having now for your breakfast?
I got
Thai food. What's that? Rice and...
fried basil with seafood with steamed rice and
Steamed rice.
egg.
An egg. Oh, okay. That'll be interesting. Right, guys. Excuse me for a little bit while I tuck into my lovely breakfast.
To eat, enjoy.
Enjoy, guys. Well, here's Nopra's breakfast. Well, breakfast is more like a bloody main meal to me. You got fried egg on rice, squid, prawns, cucumber. Looks quite appetizing, that. I wouldn't mind that for my dinner. Well, the monsoon's here again. Me and John casually just having a just just a cider.
Thatcher's.
Thatcher's cider.
Somerset apple juice.
Apple juice, yeah. So we're just sitting here, just watching the rain come down.
There'll be an hour farmer hooks
Yeah.
today after the rain. I'll put a fair bit of money on that.
With oxygen in the water, I presume. Yeah,
Triggers
yeah.
up to feed.
Yeah. Blimey, when it comes down in Thailand.
Don't mess about.
Yeah, bloody yeah. Do you reckon this water level will rise then?
I've got the pump on, so that will help a bit.
Yeah. Oh, good. Okay. John was saying it's quite unseasonable to have it like this time of year. It's usually not until April. So the only good point about this is that I'm stuck at the fishery. It means I can have a few drinks and not get caught in the sun. Just thought I'd show you a couple of the specimen fish. John,
Yeah.
can you explain, what these are exactly?
Yeah, that's a big old catfish there. That was very recognisable because it's without a dorsal fin.
Okay, right, okay.
That one was about £70, I think.
Oh, £70, okay. And obviously this is an arapama,
Yeah,
isn't it?
that's Big Dave, the
Yeah.
famous arapama. That was one of the first times that
Yeah.
John from Mag's restaurant caught that.
And you reckon he's about £160 now, is he?
Yeah.
Bloody hell.
That's-
Is that the same one? Or?
Yeah, it's the same one. More recent photo. That was
Yeah.
when the summer. Spence from the FCUK bar,
Okay.
his daughter caught that one.
The daughter?
Yeah.
Well.
Yeah, she
blimey.
hooked it and had a little bit of hand play.
Yeah,
a bit
of
of a
course.
hand play.
I'm going to say that, pull it in.
Yeah, the other light rod.
And then this is, This is a
That's Charlie there, who's linked to
Yeah.
Legends Pool Hall. That's a Siamese carp.
Siamese carp,
Fishing
okay.
about £43, I think.
That one there, 43 there, is
Yeah,
it?
that's Simon, the one-eyed Siamese carp.
Oh, the one-eyed,
Carp,
okay.
that one. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. And then this is obviously Australimus gourami, or the giant gourami, we call it. Yeah.
That's Mark Tavner there,
The young lad who just got the record, yeah.
it's
brilliant.
£13 10 ounces.
Lovely. And then this one is the,
Another Siamese.
yeah,
Siamese carp.
That's
That one's about £40.
£40, okay. And then another alapama there, of course, yeah.
Big Bertha.
Big
That
Bertha,
one's,
all right, yeah.
Yeah, with Richard and
Yeah.
Nick Goodwin who came yesterday.
Okay,
That was a great night. That
Yeah.
was the very last cast.
Was it?
Yeah.
And it's in the dark as well, so do you lower it?
Yeah, we fish till 7 o'clock.
Oh,
so
7, okay,
you
yeah.
know, this time of year you get about three-quarters of an hour in the dark.
Okay.
And then in the sort of as it goes towards the summer,
Yeah.
it's almost light right till the end.
Okay. And then this one is
John Carpenter, one of the most famous anglers in Pattaya, with another Siamese carp. One of the first times one of the big ones was caught about £37. Now it was a record for a while.
okay.
You can see how fresh the astroturf is, how we just set up.
Oh, I remember that. Yeah.
Fantastic. There's people standing around so
It's a
tight.
Mekong.
People still there with the
Lovely.
levers to stand against. Just a great scene.
Another alapama. Yeah. Lovely. And another alapama.
There's a nice fish above the TV. That's
That's a nice.
that's a Hogan's carp.
Hogan's carp.
Yeah, Hogan's carp. The chap I wanted that jam.
Also walking distance from the
Yeah.
ground across the train tracks into Kingston.
Other sort of name is a
Kingston,
mad carp,
which
or
is,
in Thai they're a
restaurants.
sandbar.
You want
A stab with a carp head on.
Okay.
Just before we open.
Oh, lovely.
A month before we open.
How long has it been open now, John?
Hey?
How long has it been open, the fishery?
It's been open since December the 11st, 2015. So
Okay.
2 years in a couple of months.
Oh, brilliant.
2 years and 3 or 4 months.
Well, it really is. It's quite a long
That's what a rich catfish was called.